This remedy is a balm for cholesterol, diabetes and infections. Our body requires the food or rather the nutrients of the food we consume to function efficiently. That is nothing new. The problem is when we consume things that do not help to function as it should. If we start eating foods high in negative cholesterol or saturated fats, even though we can absorb a little nutrients, we will fill our body with fats and problems that can even be fatal in some way. A clear example of this is blood pressure. When we consume too much fats, they clog the blood and cause serious health problems. But do not worry that with this natural remedy you will finish fat and cholesterol naturally. The remedy that ends with cholesterol and fat. To prepare this remedy you will need the following. -4 organic lemons. -1 ginger root 3 to 4 centimeters or 2 tablespoons grated ginger. -4 heads of garlic. -2 liters of water. Preparation. You should wash the lemons well and proceed to cut them into small pieces. You should also peel all cloves of garlic. Put the lemon, garlic and ginger in your blender. Proceed to mix it until a good texture is achieved. Proceed to place the mixture in a pot. Add the water to the pot and stirring while boiling. When boiling, turn off the heat and wait for it to cool completely. This mixture should be glued and placed in a glass bottle preferably. Method of use. You should drink a glass of this mixture 2 hours before each meal, preferably on an empty stomach. This should be done for 3 weeks in a row without interruption, then rest from the treatment for a week and proceed to do it again. Because each part of this remedy is natural and has distinct benefits, there is no need for you to take anything extra to enhance its use. The week of rest is to give the body time to absorb all the nutrients without problems, and so do not waste your remedy or the ingredients in a way that will not help you.